Hold on, drop everything. Bitcoin right now, it's at $90,115. Brazil biggest banks, Itaú, just told every single client to put 1 to 3% of the portfolio into Bitcoin by 2026. Not crypto, Bitcoin. The same bank that runs $400 billion in assets say it's the only thing that doesn't crash when stocks do. Zero correlation. Feds bought $40 billion in bonds yesterday quietly, so regulator could finally give BitGo, Fidelity's Paxos, Circles, and Ripple full federal custody. And strategy, 660,624 coins, estimated around $60 billion, still buying, even while Nasdaq tried to kick them out. So ask yourself, if the richest bank in Latin America, the US government, and one of the Wall Street loudest firms are stacking, why are you still asking if Bitcoin is real? New investor, listen close. You don't need 10 grand. Start with $50 a week. One coffee skipped, one delivery fees ignored. In 1 year, that's $2,600. At today's price, almost 0.03 Bitcoin. In 5 years, quarter coins turn into rent monies when your $15 buy only just a half a sandwich. This isn't hype, it's math. Banks know it, whales know it, I know it. You just watch a whole countries get told to buy. Don't wait until they're all in and you last. Don't be the guys who laughed back in 2010. Start tonight. Sets the alert. Buy a few sets. Feel it hits the wallet. Then sleep, because tomorrow you'll wake up richer. Not because price mooning, but because you'll finally stop losing to inflation. Now, don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.